Hi everybody, I just want to go over how to use a calculator for fractional exponents, okay? So this is with the iPhone calculator. It will look pretty similar on other calculators. Let me know if you need some help on your own. Okay, so first, these are the examples from the slideshow. So we're going to do 4 to the power of 1/2. So we put the base in, so we put 4, then we come over here, hit x to the y. Now here's where we have to go to do something a little different to make sure we put a half. So we have to put the brackets around this part. So 1 divided by 2. And then we come over here. That's what a half equals, and put equals. So 4 to the power of a half equals 2. Okay, so now let's do 81 to the power of a quarter. So we put the base in, 81, hit this button for fractional or for exponents, and then come over, hit the bracket symbol, sorry. So hit that, 1 divided by 4, put in the brackets, equals 3. So you might have seen or noticed that you can just do 1 divided by 4, and that equals 0.25. So you could put 81 to the power of 0.25. For now, that's fine. We're just going to use fractional exponents to create roots. Okay, so as long as you understand how to get the answer, that's what I'm looking for right now. Okay, so let me know if you still have questions or this was too confusing for you. Anyways, good luck using your calculator.